You can name me up. No, how does me? Got him down Rex and the rockin' cheese. Stuff with me. Hello? Bro, this motherfucker Nad Buds Bunny. Nah, I saw that shit, you fucking dumbass. This motherfucker comes in here and says, hey, pumper. Bro, get that shit out of here, bro. You have my noties on to come in here and say that shit, bro. You're a fucking dumbass, bro. Go take your troll somewhere else, Jose. Yo, big boy, you here? Fire. Alright, we're live on YouTube, so let me just turn up your volume. Can you guys hear Big Bull? Daddy Big Bull. You ready to... Yeah, we only got like 41 people, but it's whatever. Can you guys hear Big Bull? Say.
Did you share the link on YouTube?
Yeah. How do I make you guys hear Big Bull, bro? Alright, Big Bull, say something.
Yo guys, what's up?
Alright, let me know if you guys hear him now. He's very low as fuck. Alright, let me turn him up. Alright, say something now, Big Bull.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? Mic check.
He's very low as fuck. Alright, let me turn him up. Alright, say something now, Big Bull.
Hey guys, how you guys doing?
Alright, there we go.
Fire.
Alright, there we go. Alright, now we can start loading out the watch list. I'm gonna pull up my scanner too. Are you guys able to see my scanner? Let's see. So basically my scanner just looks for not this one. Okay, missed the setup, or is just the black and white? No, I don't usually use a scanner. This is just my squeeze scanner that I'll look for. So it's telling me to check out Apple on the daily that it's squeezing. And basically what that means is right here you can see we're in a low squeeze right now. Nothing too crazy. It's not really like a big deal. Low squeeze here. Apple is setting up really nice. Wow, Big Boy, you see an Apple?
Oh yeah, Apple looking actually nice.
What level are we watching? 176, 71? Not sure if that's the one we should have right there.
I was having too many green days in a row.
Dude, that's what I'm saying. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 green
Like literally
days
from the bottom. Like from the bottom, it's just green.
Let's
I
see
think we should see one red day pretty soon.
1, 2, 3. Dude, when's the last time it's seen 8 green days like this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, it had 9 as its record. From what I can see previously. But dude, that downtrend break was fucking money yesterday, bro. That break was money.
Even today, bro, like so strong, Apple.
Yeah, dude.
Like, it's only like 5% from all-time highs.
Exactly. Alright, so I'm gonna go on to Trading View. Check it out. Honestly, the guys, this is where like that golden zone stuff comes into play. Because this is where you use it to see if something's extended, if it's not, whatever. Shit like that. Dude, the TradingView app is so, like the application is so much better than the website.
Oh yeah, it is. It is. Did you download the desktop application recently?
Yeah.
Oh, it is fire.
Yeah, dude, I really like it. I've been starting to use TradingView a lot more than Thinkorswim. Like Thinkorswim was my main thing, but I thoroughly enjoy it. Especially just because of the variety. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, just and their phone app is really good too. Like you don't have to sit in your front of screen all day.
Exactly, and the alerts are so much better.
Yeah.
All right, 176.89 is definitely the level there.
So yeah, Apple's watching definitely brokey level. As long as I think Apple stay above 174, should be fine.
Yeah. Downside level, I'd probably play 171.03.
That once a 50-minute trend breaks.
Yeah. I'm just going off a daily level right now, 170.94. Yo, if any of my mods are in here right now, can you guys just write this in like our private chat so then I can just post it on Twitter after just the levels I'm posting, just so it's easier. Alrighty. So that's Apple. Apple still has potential for. Honestly, it just released out of its squeeze on the daily. Like this thing can continue running.
Up to 176, 70.
Yeah, but the only thing is just how extended it already is. Like from its lows, dude, this thing was trading at 150, bro. That was a steal. It's already up 16%.
Like, bro, weekly looks like it's one all-time highs. Back-to-back bullish engulfings.
That's just an amazing weekly chart. Like you can't even like, wow, that weekly is something else. Bullish ass fucking. Oh wow, not even a fucking wick.
Not even a wick. If tomorrow rips higher, it's gonna print a bullish engulfing, and then next week all-time highs on Apple.
Yeah.
We'll see. But right now, Spy's in a supply zone right now.
Yeah. Dude, everything has a squeeze, bro. Tesla, Nvidia. We'll go by market cap. All right, Tesla next. Let's see what Tesla's showing on the daily.
Let's look at Tesla. Oh, Tesla inside day.
Yeah. Wow. That is a good.
Yeah, looks good.
1041. We go on a trading view and type that up. I actually put my alerts on. So guys, if you're wondering how I do my alerts, I draw out the horizontal line. I'll put in crossing. I'll do once. Open-ended, notify on app, show pop-up, alert name. I'll just say something like this. So like, it'll be called test or Apple call. And then I'll be like 177.5 call 3-18. So without thinking, I already know where to go to. So I just create it, and then I go here, add alert, do like 167. Apple 167.5. Put 3-25. Did I put 3-18 for the last one? So then I have my level set like this. So this way, when it breaks that level, do you wait for a pullback? I'll wait for a breakout and a retest. But if it's like a huge daily level, like the one we're going on Tesla is going to be a big level, like 1041, room to 1050, above that 1060. Like if it's something like that, I'll just add a starter right away and then add more on a pullback. That's the way I personally like doing it. Is it 24? Yeah, I know, Jake. But it gets the point across.
Apple looks fire. Tesla looks fire.
Yeah, dude.
Whatever.
The only scary part about these things is like, dude, they already had such insane moves.
Yeah, I think like Tesla broke 950. Didn't retest it just yet. It has a big level 950. If it comes there, retest their level and bounce off there. That'd be nice. That was a big level. Guess having 1K level for Tesla to play the downside can clearly see the support on 15-minute chart.
Yeah.
Yes, you have Bollinger Bands.
And for
I hope
downside, 976.
tomorrow we get some one side movement. Hopefully,
Yeah. Hopefully it's a trend day tomorrow. If it is, that would
yeah,
be the best thing. End the week off so strong on a trend day.
yeah, that'd be fine. Like even now, like everything's ripping, but the thing is like it's going up, but it's like a slow grinder to the upside.
Yep.
It's chopping and going up.
Yeah, let me add steel to the call as well.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me check the new base on Apple. Let's see where the golden zone shall take us.
Tomorrow, I'm having my keep a close eye on GameStop. Very close eye on GameStop. Look at the daily volume, daily levels breaking, high volume. Closed at high of the day. Looks really good for a squeeze.
Bro, is it impossible
Like,
for Apple to run $10 in a day?
no, not Apple. That'd be like max like $5. Like what?
Yeah. Well, even if it has crazy news, it doesn't. It's not really a mover like that. But you know what it is? What is Nvidia?
Bro, Nvidia was a fucking beast.
Yeah. Literally, it's about to hit golden zone. At
There's a golden zone.
286 price target. But above, if we put it here, 307.
Daily has a huge volume fire.
The video break of 286 for upside.
Instead of playing Nvidia, I would play like Qualcomm or MU or ARM. It's like extended here on the daily. If you look at MU's bull flagging on the daily chart.
Let me check out MU. MU. Oh yeah, I see it.
Fire.
Nice. This
I'm
looks
gonna
so
share.
much better on like the hourly, like the downtrend.
Yeah.
On the hourly, it already. Oh, never mind. It didn't break. I just.
Yeah.
It kind of did something with it. It got into that gap and rejected today. That was so bad.
Indian place. I have a key level at today's high.
Today's high?
Yeah, today's high and then 79.90 next.
79.90. Yeah, I see you.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo,
Nothing much. Just vibing.
We're doing live.
Yeah, we're live streaming on YouTube.
Oh, I bet.
Bowling.
What are we watching?
MU.
Oh yeah, MU it has that is that like wedge setup. Like a bull flag. You see the bull flag as well? I'm not sure.
MU, yeah, it's a bull flag.
And it's like inverse head and shoulders as well.
Mm-hmm.
Above today's high, it can go to big gap fill. Ultimately, above 81.16, it goes to like 84.
Yeah. Yep.
I posted another chart in the trading cafe. This is semi name too. Moves really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And liquid counts too.
Let me check Qualcomm. Qualcomm. Oh shit, QCOM? QCOM, what the fuck? This is nice. It broke the downtrend today, which I really like. Yesterday it was rejected, today it broke. We get a retest of 154 or a break of 160.18. Still, we're gonna need the golden zone on that stat.
Qualcomm?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, dude, it's about to rip tomorrow.
Do you put it on the hourly?
I'm gonna put this on the daily. Matter of fact, actually, I'm gonna put it on. Let me see. Let me go on the chart real quick. Yeah, actually, yeah, from 149.09, that from there, and then all the way to 150, wherever the retracement starts, which is 159.92.
Bro,
It bounced off the 0.618.
send me a picture in the Discord.
But
I don't know why my golden zone is showing me 182.
okay, you probably have it wrong, but
Yeah. I don't really use fibs like that.
let's see which one's the best fit. Okay, from here is the best one, right here. I'll put it in Trading Cafe.
Just send it in our little group chat DM here.
Oh, bet. And it's on the hourly, yes.
Oh shit. Fuck, I just broke my phone case. Alright. You're looking at it on the hourly. That's the hourly? Oh, you're just super zoomed in, that's why.
Yeah.
Alright.
Or you can like draw it from like all the way at the bottom.
Yeah, I drew it from all the way at the lows.
Yeah. Yeah, but it still doesn't give you 180 something. I don't know where you drew it from.
Oh, no, I got 160. I zoomed out a lot and drew it. So 162 is the move.
Yeah, around 162, 164. Because I'm drawing it from different levels and they all pulling it around the same 162, 164 levels.
Fire.
Yeah. But ultimately, like, if you want to look at it as in the consolidation breakout, this has room all the way to this has room all the way to like 167.
167.
Yeah, take the around 167. Take the range of the consolidation, from like you see that consolidation from around 158.55 to 152.64.
Yeah.
Unless you want to, if you use the box method on that, you get anywhere from 164 to 167 if you include the top wick, which is 159.92.
Yeah. And for those asking, these are Steel's fib settings. I just use the same ones. If you guys want to take a screenshot, copy them down. Here's your chance.
What? We're supposed to sell that now.
Free fibs.
Yeah. Yeah, these are inverse. I think tomorrow's gonna be a banger day, bro.
Honestly, bro, I'm ready to make like 30 bands tomorrow, bro. Fuck it.
Type shit. AMD just broke out too, so it's gonna be nice.
Yeah, I saw puts like a fucking dog.
MU hasn't made a move yet, so MU's gonna be a nice watch.
Yeah, so's Qualcomm.
Yeah, it's Qualcomm and MU. That's my top.
Hold on, what are other chip? Check.
APGO, but they're expensive.
ASML.
ASML, APGO, there are LRCX.
LRCX. Avgo. Let's check out Avgo too. Well, let me post this.
Avcon sucks.
Alright, then fuck Avga.
Look at on.
QCOM looking break over 160 can give us a move to 161.95, 164. Top watch going into tomorrow if chips decide to have another run.
Yeah, Sam is the main watch tomorrow.
If you're looking at the deal for QCOM, 34 to 50 cloud is 160.84. Nice. MU gap like crazy, that doesn't matter at this point. Yep. Entry's 160 for a move to 162. I'd probably take off my 75% of my position at this level here. And if this breaks, I'll re-add some profits or not this, but if this breaks, I'll re-add some profits and let it rock to 164. Right before it hits this big supply area on the VPA. On the volume profile. Oh, AMD, calm down. Oh shit.
Yeah, also watching HD for a down play.
Guys, look at this fucking paper trade I took on futures.
Yes.
Look at that entry. Look at this entry on the short. On to the 5 minute.
Beto.
Look at this entry.
So proud of you, bro. So proud of you, Twin. What up, Twin?
What up, Twin? We twinning them. Bum, bum. Alright. So, guys, QCOM. Qualcomm?
Qualcomm.
Is a Qualcomm run by an Indian guy? Or is that a different company? No. That's QS. That's QS. That's what it is.
That's big dog. That's big dog right there. That's QS.
Yeah, QS is the move.
I'm checking my homework right now. Hold on, let me finish this.
Netflix looking at. Yes, if we are at tomorrow, then I'm looking at Home Depot for a put play. It looks like an easy setup for an almost 8-point move.
I wonder what Best Buy's up to. This used to be one of my favorite stocks to play.
What?
Best Buy.
Best Buy.
It's gonna go down, bro. Look at the bear flag breakdown on the day.
Oh, HD. This is nice, big bull. Oh, I love the setup.
It is gonna go down, bro.
Let me see HD. Let me see HD. Oh, that's a nice setup.
The hourly, dude, this has room down to 288.
Yeah, no, wait, HD?
I have 308 next level.
Yeah, 308.85, right?
Yeah, 308, like, yeah, somewhere around there.
And then what? Next one is 299.50.
Yeah, okay, that's too much.
Bro, Golden Zone saying 288.
Let me see. Oh yeah, if you're using the golden, wait, no, Golden Zone. Yes, it says Golden Zone says 285.69.
Golden Zone is asking who the big dog is in your life, bro.
Type shit.
Bro, it's literally a breakdown or retest on the daily chart.
Oh, dude, this is so nice.
It's gonna flush hard tomorrow.
No, I'm full porting this.
It's like on live, it's recording.
What's the level here? To be honest, 312.
It's
No,
like
314.37 below today's low.
You guys are just playing today's low.
Yeah.
I
Just look at the left. There's no support. There's no resistance or support on the left. On that drop to 308.85, there's literally no anything that can stop it. All right, big bull. Is this problem not getting my alerts because they go straight to your computer, bro? Is this?
Yo, you need to update your payment method. Okay, so it.
Dude, I literally. Why do I get it on my phone and not on my computer, bro? Like that's like.
Oh, dude, I thought I was looking at the hourly. This is the fucking daily. Okay. I was like, bro, this doesn't look like the hourly chart.
Type shit.
Hourly though looks even better for the downside.
Type shit.
Bear flag breakdown, 314 break. We get moved to 309. 309 break, bro. This shit sees 299.
Type shit.
Just like a pack of Marlboros back in 2014.
Type stuff. What is the role of the chemical indicator in this context? I don't know what that means.
What's the stuff?
There was a dog that was big and he walked.
Breakdown.
HD and lows both are on high watch.
So guys, I posted the tweet as well for HD. Under 314, we can see 309, then 300, then 288. This has a lot of range down. Bro, I didn't even draw the bear flag, Big Bull. I just drew, I drew like a little wedge thingy. I drew the downtrend.
Yeah, I'm gonna break that down. That's all we need.
Yeah, that's the only line we need.
Lows even looking more weaker than HD. Look at lows. But I like HD better.
All right. Okay, I finished my homework. Let's get some charting done. HD's nice. Let's pop out some alerts here. Put HD here. All right, HD. All right, let's go through. Okay, we had MU. So MU above today's high. It has. I'm gonna probably like buy off open if the market's strong because it has that gap fill into 7902. That's gonna send the contract through the roof. It's an easy play.
Let me check out MU real quick.
Facebook. Facebook's a nice setup right now.
Yeah, Facebook is on my watchlist tomorrow.
Relative, yeah, it has nice strength so far.
So does every other stock, but this one's the one that's super beaten down still.
What? Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the daily's primed, bro. Daily's off the. Look at weekly too. Weekly looks like it wants a big push up.
Weekly needs to get over the EMA at 225.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is weekly super nice. Above today's high, you can play it into.
Next
So-
target is like 230.
Yeah, 221 break. Yeah. I'm looking. Yeah, I'm looking for 221 break for tomorrow, and then 226.76 next. And then
230s. 230.
yeah,
I don't really,
229. Yeah, around that.
I don't
230.
really,
Yeah, 230.36.
I don't really like Facebook. It has too much supply above for me to go long. Way too much.
Yeah, I mean, but if these key levels start getting cracked down, bro, like that's like
Nah, bro, this is a fire setup.
Yeah.
Dude, look at the
the
volume
weekly's so
profile.
nice, bro. You're looking at the weekly too, right?
I'm looking at the daily, but look at the volume profile. There's a lot of fucking supply above still. Until we break 242, we have room to 260 from there. So until then, I'm not really interested because that's also where the gap fill is too. Once that gap fill starts at 250, bro, we got room to 315 from that shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's just
Apple's reaching a nice level too.
Yo.
bro.
Overextended. Apple's so far. Dude, Apple, guys, I think my target on Apple is 195. Mark this and then come back to it.
I go start up mark up a conversation with some bitches, bro.
You're about to. Once we get back to Miami with Big Bull.
Yeah.
With big
Before
pull.
looking at anything, look at VIX daily.
Is VIX about to break down?
VIX about to hit daily demand, bro.
Oh,
shit! Big Bull just
Big
dropped
Bull,
that.
the
Big Bull
bear
just
flag.
dropped that news on us. He's like, guys, look at VIX. It's about to drop it to daily demand.
What, at 1993?
Yeah. Dude, that would
So you
be-
think it's not gonna break down more? You think it's gonna?
I mean,
It's
it's
gonna
at,
definitely will definitely bounce off these levels.
All right, let me draw the. Oh shit, Vix is going to 104 now. Okay. Based on the fib level.
yeah.
No, that's a daily demand coming
Yeah, 1993.
in. Yes, posted in the trading cafe. Actually, I'll just post it on the Twitter.
All right.
All right, let's see. Let's see who the big wall dog is. All right. Tesla, bro. Tesla looks. I don't fucking know, bro. I got burned on Tesla. Dude, I don't know why. BA, bro. Fuck, that was such a stupid loss, bro.
Yeah, we should have waited for.
Did you enter it too?
No, I don't know. I entered yesterday. I took most profit yesterday. This morning, when I see bouncing off the levels, I
Yeah.
took off.
Dude, the 50. I don't know why. Dude, 15 minute didn't even. Oh, wow, bro. That's just so dumb of me, bro.
The same happened with me the Baba trade.
Yeah. Dude. Oh, you didn't wait for Baba to close below the level?
Yeah.
Big bull, bro.
I was like, this shit is gonna dump. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it. And then next thing I
What
know,
was your level? Was it like 111?
my
Like 111, 25 type shit?
let me see. My level was March 1 high. It was
March.
111.25. Yeah.
Yeah, 111.25, yeah.
And it did go down. Like I was up like 15% at one point.
Yeah.
I was like, it's a gap full. I want 500%.
Type shit. Nah, I feel you, bro. I don't know how I missed Nvidia today. That was such a nice play.
I was watching it. I don't know. It's this whole 2 weeks. It's like it's over. Tomorrow's gonna be fire. Let's talk about what we're gonna do tomorrow.
Yeah.
Guys, Vix again posting the chart on my Twitter. You guys can see approaching daily demand, expecting a bounce from there, and not liking long swings at these points.
Everything.
So do you
long is
think we pop
overextended.
at open and then we continue to flush down?
Yeah, because if you look at SPY daily, it's also approaching SPY too on the
Yeah.
daily, like the 458 levels, 460 levels.
I really think this is where we start to, trap those bulls and fucking get a
Bounce back.
move. Yeah, honestly get a move to the downside again before we continue higher. Right now, it's just way too overextended.
Yeah. And like the golden zone already hit on this SPY. So it's just bouncing off these levels.
Yeah, just gonna be careful going long.
Yeah.
Scalping here and there, fine.
One area I see rejection at for SPY could be 451.61. And then ultimately, like, I'll be bullish once 458.12 breaks.
Yeah.
But for now, like, I think tomorrow we could push into this 451.61 zone. And then, or or above a prior day high, or like not prior day high, excuse me, March 22nd high, which is 450.41. If that breaks, we could definitely see that 451.61 zone. And then if that breaks, you have room higher, but I'd just be cautious around these levels because it is setting up for let me see. Let me draw a fib for the downside here.
Market will a complete market rally would be VIX under 19.73. All right.
Dude, honestly, bro, I personally think we do get a pullback, but just looking at SPY monthly, like how it's playing out, this looks interesting.
There needs to be some sort of pullback for this market to
course,
continue. So we can't just keep going
Yeah.
up. If we get a pullback tomorrow, that would really set us up nicely for next week. Giving us an opportunity to get some dips. Honestly, I'd really like at least one day of I want a red day tomorrow and then a red day Monday. Let people get uneasy and then continue ripping it, because then what happens is, like I was saying it in my stream earlier today, we need some sort of pullback because people are going to be taking profits, people are going to be, closing out their positions. That there needs to be a pullback, and if there's not, then I'm wrong, and we're just gonna overextended, then have a monster downside move. Like if we want this to be a sustainable move up, we need some sort of pullbacks along the way. Right now, we've been like 8 days green. We need a pullback. If we don't get one, I'd be super surprised.
Well, we will get a pullback 100%.
Yeah. Oh, also, let me check out TSM.
Good.
I think one place we could see a pullback at would be on, let's just say ES, right? So I already mentioned on SPY, but I know I trade, I look at ES when I chart. One area we could see a pullback at is 45, 37, 25 on ES, because that's where one of the golden zones at. Or also around 45, 41. Anywhere around these levels, we could see a pullback. So that's what I'll really be watching. And I know like SPY likes to follow patterns pretty nicely. So it's just and I do think
Yo, Steel, hold on, bro. Check out drop everything and look at TSM real quick.
It started it today. Oh yeah, it's the same sort of Qualcomm.
No, not even Qualcomm, bro. Look at that. Look at that level at 108.16.
I have the same level. It's just gonna go. Next is 1. I see what you're saying.
Previous support. Now it's about to break out. Wow. And there's a gap fill from 112 to 116. This is nice. This is very nice.
Ranging on a low volume. Oh yeah.
If this pulls back tomorrow, I'll be so like. If we're going to have another rally, dude, it needs to be this stock.
Yeah, I see that there's a double bottom on that daily as well.
Yeah. Let me draw out the.
And then what's it called? You see that on daily? You see that inverse hammer at the EMA, inverse red hammer at the EMA. That makes me even more bullish.
I just gotta draw.
Yeah, it's a daily inside bar too. So.
Ooh. Yeah, and that's right at fucking.
But I'd be careful because if you look at weekly, if you look at it, if it's a big support like broken, turning possible resistance. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why it's such a big level. 108.16, bro. This is making a move.
Yeah.
No questions asked.
108.19. Same shit.
Bro, we're 3 cents off, bro. Come on.
Yeah, no, I'm chill. What I do see that you see that double bottom consolidation. If you take into if you basically use the box method on that could see it could see into that gap fill zone, which is around it could reach 112.82.
Yep.
Which it can enter into that gap fill territory, but yeah, I can watch that.
Trying to make this easy as possible for the viewers to understand what we're talking about, because some of them might be newer. So guys, this is what we're talking about here. If you guys haven't been paying or aren't really like understanding what we're saying, I'm gonna break it down for you guys. So right here, what you guys are seeing is it bounced here, bounced here, bounced here, bounced here at this level 108.16, around this area. This was the previous support, as you guys can see from all the arrows. Bounced here, bounced here, bounced here. Created like a quadruple bottom. Every time it came here, buyer stepped in and sent it back up. But during this recent pullback, it broke that support, causing it to now turn into resistance. Now that we've rejected it twice already, today we had a nice green candle. So if tomorrow we're able to break above that level, we should really see a nice move over to this gap fill to 112. Right? And then if it enters that gap, it's going to probably fill it. So into the gap, it could see 115.35. So notice how the previous support has turned into resistance, right? That's just what then this was previous resistance here. So previous resistance turned support turned resistance. It all came full circle. So that's why we're watching this, because this is a super important level. If it's able to break out, we're gonna see a nice move on this. And the thing about TSM is not many people trade it, because everyone's too focused on Nvidia, MU. Like, this is one of those stocks where when it runs, it fucking runs, right? Like, you could see like boom, boom, boom. Like, this thing runs whenever it does. So I'm keeping this on high watch.
Bro, I'm telling you, keep an eye on too. This is something that people don't care about, but
ON.
I played it so many times.
All right, I'll check it out right after this too. TSM. Previous resistance turned support. 1, 2. Previous support turned resistance. Support turned resistance. 1, 2. See a breakout above that level to continue the gap fill. Gap.
Bro, but I don't doubt if we get a large rally tomorrow though. Like, honestly, Big Level says why is going to 453.21.
So ready? Look. How are you? What you? I don't know how to. I'm trying to word what I'm saying. First of all, if you guys are in the stream, we have 130 people in here. Make sure you guys drop a like, because that would be cool, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I'm gonna try making this like an everyday thing. I think this would help the community a lot, and you guys would thoroughly enjoy it.
What's up? What up, Bull?
Watch net.
NET?
Yeah, daily. Wire setup.
Oh shit.
Once these things breaks out, no retest, bro.
What are you watching out? What's your level? Let me see your level. Today's high, basically.
Bro,
123.45.
Watching 123.40 on net.
Nice.
Yeah, guys, I like snow too. Someone mentioned snow. I have
Yo, Prof just tweeted at me. He's like, yo, we still setups now, motherfucker. Guys, I'm making it right on YouTube, bro. It's all recorded. That's way too funny. That was way too funny. What were you saying, Big Bull? I'm sorry.
That's all. I was just looking at snow and net for
Net.
both are looking very nice.
NET.
You only need one line at 123.40. That's it.
Oh, okay. I see this. Very, very fucking distinguished, Big Bull. Holy shit. Big Bull just pulls these insane setups out of his ass. He'll just be like, all right, guys, watch this.
This is the name I love to play. I love to play. This thing moves like 10 points in a day. 10, 15 points on a good day, especially when it breaks out of this huge consolidation.
I'll just wait for the alert.
I have 62 setups.
Oh, dude, there was a fucking pattern. I forget what it was called. It was like a butterfly pattern. It was called like holographic.
Harmonic?
Harmonic! Thank you, bro. I always forget.
Someone's been studying the book space at.
Huh?
It's Harmonic. No. It's like somebody's been studying type shit.
I was like, bro, I remember this fucking setup because when I first started, I used to only trade harmonic patterns. And this setup on fucking... Yo, this is a perfect setup on net, bro. That's about a print. Hold up. Still, I never fucking remembered it because I never really said the harmonic out loud. I'm just so happy you said harmonic because I was like, fuck, bro, what the fuck is his name? Alright. This is point X. A. B. Or B would be. Fuck. I messed it up. All right. Point. Honestly, would this be point X? Point X, A, B, C, D. So what's that? What's the fucking 0.786? 86 to be like here. Okay, right there. 0.168.
I'm not, guys. These software names looks like they're just gonna go.
That's what I'm saying.
Look at Crowd CRM, bro. This is fucking fire. Crowd's looking way better. Broke daily downtrend and key level here, heading towards like 253.
This is, by the way, this is a bearish harmonic pattern.
I don't.
net.
Is it a harmonic pattern? I can't tell.
It's a bearish Gartley.
I don't know.
Bearish bat. So this should reject, but it invalidates over 120. All right, dude, I'm gonna have a fun time explaining this bullshit on Twitter. All right, guys. So basically, this is a harmonic bat or a bat pattern. So basically, this is bearish. This should continue down. But if it breaks above 124, this is gonna invalidate the pattern and possibly run. So this is complicated, but it's a really good find. What are the top things that truly helped you in the beginning? What was your mindset? Did you ever feel like giving up, bro? I feel like giving up to this day. Like sometimes I'll be like, I'll have a red day, I'll be, damn, bro, am I really able? Damn, you guys ran up those likes. Yo, let's see if we get 100 likes on the stream, guys. We're 40 away. But you trade with Prof tomorrow? Yeah, we're gonna be trading live on Voice with Big Bull Steel, Prof, and Chrome.
Oh, they're joining us tomorrow?
Yeah, we're gonna live stream on Spaces and in the Discord because there's no delay in Discord, so we gotta be in Discord and on there.
I'll probably join the Spaces if I get out of class. I'll join Spaces.
All right, then me and Big Bull will hold it down. Sean, thank you for inspiring me. That post you made with your notebook, I relate to it so much. I've started, dude. You fucking got this, preacher. You're gonna fucking make it, bro. All you gotta do is just fucking work your ass off and don't give up, bro. Second you give up is the second you fail, bro. Because then you can't keep continuing, bro.
Yeah, it's come to the classes and all that. Like, if you're new, come to the classes, come to the sessions we hold.
If you guys are in the premium Discord, we'll take care of you. Obviously, like today was a red day, so I don't really want to promote it when I'm fucking red on the day. But if you guys are in there, just come to the classes, come to the lives here. We're gonna be hosting these for free for you guys, and we're gonna be hosting space. So we're gonna be doing a lot of stuff for the community, especially in the summer, because that's when most people are out of school. They're starting to pick up hobbies, starting to trade. So we're definitely gonna be doing a lot more free stuff for you guys.
Yeah, on summer, bro, we're about to go ham, bro. That's Mando.
Yeah, that's Mando. Is that what you just said?
Yeah, that's mandatory, bro. That's automatic, bro.
Bro, I thought you said that's Mando, like fucking.
Yeah, mandatory.
Oh, Mando. You're talking about Mandem, like the fucking England shit that people be talking about.
Nah, I don't know what that means, bro. Chill out, bit out.
Bear out.
Guys, with the banks tomorrow, always you guys know my watchlist is pretty diversified in all the sectors. Watching banks, Morgan Stanley for tomorrow.
You're
Either
crazy.
side.
You are crazy. Filet mignon.
Look at Morgan Stanley, bro. This is bull flying on the daily.
Morgan Stanley should just honestly give up.
Any code do you have recorded videos? Yes, guys. All the videos will be recorded on everything we do in the Discord or any course we're gonna hold.
All right, guys. So basically, this is an amazing pattern. We got the harmonic pattern, a move under 116.60, which is this candle's open, and previous resistance here. We'll see a move down to the EMAs to like 110-ish. But if it breaks past this quadruple top we have here over 123.71, that invalidates the bearish thesis, and then meaning it will probably continue up. So go by levels on this one. Don't just go puts just because you want to. Make sure you guys actually wait for the levels.
Yeah, guys, Twilio's looking good. It's not looking bad. I like Twilio at this level. There's no resistance there on Twilio. If it breaks 167, it's gonna go to 177 next. Probably gonna reject there, and then come back down to make a inverse head and shoulder.
Big bull, screen share. Screen share, and I'll put it up on the stream.
Oh, like, I know what it's called.
Yeah, screen share, and I'll just put it up on the stream. Filet mignon, da. As you be.
Dude, Apple's really about to go to 195 if this keeps pushing. Dude, Apple gives me a pullback. I'm standing that bit.
All right, but let me just make my what was that stock? TSM. I need to make my alert on there because of filet mignon and shit, you know.
Dude, you can make alerts, bro. I can't.
What are you talking about?
I can't make alerts on fucking TradingView, bro.
Why?
He needs a clear plan, bro.
Huh?
He's paying half only for the mobile alert.
All right, guys. Let me know if you guys can see Big Bull's screen.
This guy, bro.
The fools who aren't writing any of this down. Who cares, bro? We're just doing our part by hosting. You guys can't say we never did shit for y'all because we do a lot of shit for y'all.
Type shit. Type shit.
This is my type of shit. Type of shit. Bro, if fucking terrible trader's in here and he's recording this shit, yo, fuck you. I'm paranoid as fuck now. Alright, Big Bull, talk over your levels, bro.
Just watching, guys. Look at my SPY chart. Just sharing on live here. It's approaching daily levels also.
Yo, no fucking way he's in the fucking voice. Fuck you. Bro, terrible trader. Yo, he's in the fucking voice. Or he's in the stream, bro. That's way too funny.
I watched his video too.
Dude, that video was so fucking funny, bro.
What happened?
Did you see the video? Where it was the terrible trader guy? He made a video on me and Key's mine and Key's 1K challenge.
Yeah.
You saw it?
I haven't watched it. What about
bro, go watch it. I retweeted it. Shit was funny as fuck, bro. Like, I basically, like, we hit 80% on a play, and then I broke my chair. Dude, he was like roasting me, but at the same time, he made money off the play. It was just funny, bro. The way he just words it was funny as shit. Bro, I don't mean to cut off Big Pool, bro. You guys know that, but this motherfucker, then right now, it's just like, yo, I started singing because I'm bored as shit. And then I'm like, yo, imagine terrible traders in here just recording this for more content. And then his dumbass pops out of nowhere and he's like, LMAO. And I'm like, no fucking way he's here, bro.
That's why I avoid the video.
Bro, so where's the video?
Just go. No, dude, it's not on his YouTube. Go on. It's on Twitter. I retweeted it. But anyways, let Big Bull finish. I cut him off like 3 times. I'm muting myself.
No.
Love you, Big Bull.
No. Guys, just watching the SPY levels on my chart approaching daily SPY, and then if you look at LED wave counts, probably shared on my Twitter a couple of days ago, it's gonna go there expecting a rejection of these levels, and printing a new lows on the daily chart. That might happen, might not happen, but that is my count for now. If it breaks above 460, then I'm going to upload my bull count. But for now, I'm just going to stick with my bear thesis that this is an incomplete bear count on S&P. So watching for a rejection on daily supply. And if you look at VIX at the same levels, and it's also approaching this daily demand too. So VIX bounce of this level and SPY reject off our daily supply. So that's what I'm looking for in the market overall. But guys, I'm going to talk about this all weekend charting sessions. Attend that session. I'm going to post a link too. Yes, watching Morgan Stanley. Daily bull flagging here, low volume consolidation. Watching 91.88 for any downside play. And then for upside, watching 93, both on my, I'm gonna set an alert at 93.10. Only bank name I'm watching, and then probably also watching American Express along with Morgan Stanley, just because it bounced off the daily magnets today. You came hit the supply zone, came back to the magnet zone, and then bounced off of it. So if tomorrow American Express is above prior day highs, looks like inside day too. If it's above prior day's high, 189.60 definitely has room up to 194.65. So there's a lot of setups. You don't need to play all of them. Just make your watch list 5-7 names and then focus on that. That's it. You'll be good. What are the bearish setups for today, guys? Let's say we are red tomorrow, and then for red, I'm watching UPST. If it is a red day tomorrow, then I'm watching UPST below 111.66. It would be fire trade. To the downside, 102.66 next target on UPST on the break. The steel you hear? It's gone.
I'm here.
Oh, you hear? Fire. Yeah, these are only setups I'm watching. Like my watch list on setups there. Other than that, guys, like the thing is, like there's no to have like 8 different call triggers. If 2 or 3 gets triggers, then all of them gonna get triggered. So no point of having 10 different triggers. But watching oil, banks, software names, all these names heading into tomorrow, and semis. Guys, this is one stock. I think that'd be the easiest shot. VZ, watching 50-80 level. I was in VZ. Today got out at break even, but watching this level carefully. 50-80 breaks, and then that would give us one of the easiest shot.
Bro, the thing about VZ is it moves so fucking slow, bro. I don't know how you like trading it. It just
it's only trading. It's a slow, but the thing is, like any other time I played, it, like 100% easy.
Yeah.
And the spread is like only 1 cent wide.
What other
Just
stocks do we have?
What other stocks do we have? Guys, we have Twitter. I like Twitter. Let's look at it on the daily. This thing about to break out of the big time.
I forgot I used to trade Penn and DKNG and TWTR and ATVI.
But Twitter is actually looking good on the daily. If you see my screens, 39.10, rejected a couple of times off this level.
Well, yo, Big Bull, take over the stream. Like, just keep posting your charts in here and talking. I'm about to go make some coffee and I'll be back so I don't fall asleep.
Mm.
All right, just hold it down while I'm gone for like 2 seconds.
Okay. Expecting a flash crash next week. Can happen, guys. Can happen. All Elliot way of saying this too, that we are due for a last leg down. If that happens, that'd be nice. If not, then I'm gonna come up with my bull count, and then we'll update over the weekend if we break 458, 60 levels on SPY. So that's the key big level on SPY. Watching Twitter above 39.10, it breaks this level and it's going to head to 40.35. But if we look at it, also this supply here on Twitter, clearly a supply zone up here. But if it goes up here, it can slowly grind up to these levels. But this is 41.50 is a big level on Twitter. Yeah, guys. Other setup I like the semi name. This one, if you guys have a small account and then you guys can play Nvidia or LRCX or all these AVGO, the big semis names. You can play this name on semiconductors, very liquid cons, and it's about to break out of the key level here on the chart. 63.80 is my key level. Break this level, it's gonna go to 67 and reject back down because this is supply here. We see this rally, we saw a base, and then we draw back down. So once price goes back here again, so that is a fresh supply on the daily chart. So price goes there. Let's say price breaks out, reject back down, retest these highs, and then go higher. If not, then straight reject from here to the downside. So let's see how it plays out next quarter. But I'm gonna follow the levels. Only no bias here. So 60 is the key support hold on semiconductor main. What are the other setups I like? Guys, yes, PDD looks like a good shot for tomorrow. If it keeps going down, if you look at in the past, it was a head and shoulder breakdown, probably a retest, and then rejecting off that, and then closing below on high volume. So this one is also on high volume. You guys know we have scored 200 a couple times. So tomorrow I think would be no different if it breaks today's low and goes to some of these levels here. And then it's also the daily magnets. Once daily magnets broke this level 43, 45, 45, 43. Once these things break, it's going to just flush. But let's look at Hong Kong market, how it's doing. Guys, someone asking, how is your watchlist different than Indian stocks tweeted? The thing is, like, I have almost 30 to 40 stocks on my watch every single day. So the thing is, like, along with my watch list, I also watch all the ETFs I have and to see where the actual money is flowing at open. And then if I see any, it's like I follow all the sectors basically at morning, and I have alerts set at different sector names at different trigger levels. So if one of the sector name is triggering my level, so that means there are very high chances that money is flowing or money is going out of that particular sector. So always have all the sector names including in your watch list, guys. Always. Never have 2 different names or 3 different names of a same sector in a single watch list, because there is no point. If AMD is breaking out, Nvidia is going to break out, right? So there is no point having different names in the watch list. So other than that, that's all these software names looking good. Let's look at Crowd. Crowd's looking good. You want to turn off these magnets. Broke out of this daily key level, retested it to going higher. No resistance there at this point. Breaks 224, and then 237 comes, and 237 breaks, 253 comes. No real resistance at these levels if market just decide to push higher. But gotta be careful, guys. The VIX approaching demand. So no swings for me overnight unless VIX breaks 20 onto the downside. If that happens, then market is gonna wreck. Probably can test all-time highs too before next Fed meeting, and then crowd, like long as snow too. Snow's looking good. The same thing can happen with the snow too, like what happened with Doku. I guess yes. Look at if you look at Doku, look at the gap down, and then after that did not make any new lows and started filling the gap here on Doku, and then just every single day is green. Snow looks like also the same on the daily chart, and has a gap to fill daily price, daily consolidating in a range on low volume here. So definitely in high watch if it breaks this upside 229 and 233.50. Both are my key levels on snow to play the upside. And for downside, it should be easy to play the downside here below 206.20. So guys, when price in your range, there's no point of predicting the move, which side is going to happen because when the price is in your range, it can go any side. Tilray, guys. You guys want to talk about Tilray? Tilray is looking good. I think it's probably up like 10-15% after hours too. So Tilray above 8 can test 10 here. No supply here up above, only one supply zone. I can see price came here, pushed back down, came here, and then made this trend here. So this trend too. So we have this couple of supply zones. The one in here, and so one supply zone is here, and then one supply zone is here. I think it's already above this supply zone. So if it is above this supply zone, retest this and then go here. Not seeing it above $10, so needs a lot of volume and momentum to above $10. So if you guys are in it, so 10 would be my ultimate target to take profits. Yeah, guys. So 820, so around this. So basically bears clear this supply. So next target for them is definitely this level here. Also, guys, watching GameStop. If all this running, and then if you look at GameStop, and not a bad move today. High volume coming in inside almost I think inside day here on noticeable high volume. So what I'm gonna do with GameStop is it's probably gonna push to the upside. So if tomorrow GameStop is above today's high, then I'm gonna play the upside on GameStop. So the key level would be 144 on GameStop. I also broke out of this downtrend too. Looks nice, guys. I took some lotto calls overnight, but we'll see how it opens. Should be on high watch. Got this one, this name, John Deere. Yeah. Daily range breakout. Posted on Twitter, guys. Posted on Twitter around these levels when it was 405. My target is 480 on this one. So after breaking out of this level, is heading towards my target 480. Expect pullback on the ways. So what are the daily magnets are? So daily magnets consolidating sideways. So that means a big move coming here on DE. So watching 236 level, I think it's only slowly grinding up. Because when you see stocks like this slowly grinds up off the consolidation, then what happens is one day comes when when stocks absolutely rips, just like Nvidia, guys. Just like Nvidia, if you look at it, it was going up, it's going up like small days and then consolidation, then red day, and then all of a sudden one big day. So that's going to happen in DE2. We had this big move here when it broke out, and then low spreads, high volume days, low spread, high volume days, and then consolidation on high volume. So definitely has room higher. I think the spread is pretty weird in this one, but if you manage to get a good fill on this thing, pays nice. Definitely on watch. Let me know, guys, in the chat if you guys want me to look at anything. any expectation on Fed Williams discussing monetary policy? I didn't even know about it. So that is not, it can be important, but I think as long as I'm just going to follow the levels going into next week. That's it. CCL. CCL is a nice push. Looks like daily is flagging here. What level I should be watching to play the? If you look at it, that's price in a daily range, and then it's broke out of this daily level. If we see, that was the daily level right here. Breakout, the retest, probably this bear trap here in this. But watching this today's low can play it downside in today's low, but for the upside, it just needs to push a bit higher. Yes, guys. So for the upside, I want this, not today's high, but prior day high. So yesterday high is 1890, years above that, and then we can play the upside on CCL. Let's look at JETS ETF, how it's doing. Oh, JETS ETF is looking good. I would play JETS ETF instead of CCL because it has a nice clear setup. If you see, this is a triangle on the daily chart, and then what is it? What was the name? LUV. Yeah, guys, LUV is already broke out of this pattern today. If you look at it, same pattern here, triangle breakout today happened. So JETS looks like it's an ETF, but it looks like it's lagging here. Low volume. So watching this today's low to get into puts. If it breaks the pattern to the downside, if it breaks the pattern upside, then there's a clear target of 21 here on this one. That's on 0 DTE like tomorrow. Would be nice to see. Someone asked about CCL and LVS. LVS was good setup, I guess. I checked it today. Yeah, same setup as JETS. Same setup as JETS. So break these highs, break today's highs, then can definitely go up to like these highs 40.84, 42. But if it breaks this high, so bulls will target this 42.84 level before any rejection, because we can clearly see is supply in here and then bouncing off this support here, the pass. Clearly a fake bear trap here on the daily chart, and then pushing to the upside. Daily is flagging. 38 move to the downside, and then above today's high can push higher up to like 42. Square. Let's look at Square. Square was looking strong. Daily sideways after this nice action. So basically, it just looks like a retest here on the daily chart, and what I'm watching, pricing consolidation, guys. So no trades for me. This one, unless we breaks out of this consolidation. So if I get a trade in this consolidation phase, we'll just get a premium one, nothing else. So low volume consolidation, nice to see. Watching this today's high, not today's high, but the range high on this one. Also flagging too. So want above 148.90, and then we can play calls. Let's look at magnets here. So don't want to play a downside just yet. Has this level broken out in the past? So if it comes back here, retest this level and then bounce off, that'd be nice to see too. Again, most stocks are consolidating sideways now this whole week and then the past week. So that's why it's good to have no bias at these points. AMC, someone asked what AMC. AMC, I think inside day today, AMC. Yeah, same setup as AMC. AMC bulls wanted above 21. So this is my key level on AMC. If it's above 21, then we can definitely push higher. So we can clearly see in the past, price came here 21, bounced off almost 50%, and then came here, rejected it, came here, rejected, and then finally broke down, retested the level, not even once, 2 times, 3 times, so 4 times tested this level. So this is clearly a major level here for bulls to reclaim. Once 21 reclaims, they can try push it up to like 26, 27. Definitely bullish here, but looking to, I'm not gonna go short on AMC just yet. Neo, let's look at Neo. That looks like they have earnings today. Oh, it's down 2% after. So if it is down 2% after hours, I don't think earnings gonna make much difference here unless we break 2060 to the downside. So break this 2060 to the downside, and only then the downside with the targets of these sides, which is 1883, and then for the upside, not touching it unless this prior supply is taken out. And you guys can see here. So this is a supply zone I'm watching on Neo, which is 2335 to the upside.
Did they do good on earnings?
No, I don't think so. But
Okay.
like 23%. I mean, I don't think it's going to be a big difference tomorrow. It's going to follow the levels. Yeah, guys, with me watching this one, what else? Lulu, I like Lulu. Same setup as Lulu, guys. Today I charted all this, everything. You guys know I chart every single name every single day. My key levels are always up to date. Lululemon watching 31842 level for 31842, just say 50 here. 31850 level for any upside on with the targets of 32450 on this one. Daily is in the range, no bias here. For the downside, watching 30350 level. Any V stocks? So how many V stocks that I know of? One is Grow Generation. Should be a nice after hours. Still looking at any charts? Give me some setups.
Hold on, what's up? What'd you say?
What setups are you watching?
Grinding a video game right now. Hold on, let me get off this video game. All right.
I also got a new one, so we're gonna play it today after finishing this.
All right, let me see. I just left the game. Let me look at some setups.
I have some names to go.
All right, but let me see. Let me give you some setups, bro. I like Lucid. Lucid doesn't look bad. It's holding that. It's definitely holding that breakout zone above 2565, or even like anywhere around, just basically around this 25, 26 level. It's holding above that, so it looks nice. I think we could see a push higher tomorrow above 2680 or today's highs. Most likely 2680 though, but it did hold the zone pretty well. You could also play this above today's high, but it's just up to you. But I think above 2680, they could push a lot higher. I do want to see a gap, complete fill of the gap into 2764. So that'd be nice, but just for now, I'm just waiting above 2681. What's your level for the
2727?
2727 for okay. Yeah, okay, so for you want that breakout above that. Okay, I see that.
I want the break above the range.
Okay, I see that. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could wait on that as one as well. I'd probably like if I see like enough volume, like I'd probably just take it like above yesterday's high.
Definitely.
Let me look at there's BA here, dude. BA bounced. Not really interested in BA right now. I mean, BA could see a lot push higher, to be honest. But
He's in a range at this level.
yeah, it's in that daily range. So I just wait above wait above like honestly just either below 184.52 or above 192.86 or 193.38 to go long.
Okay, we have the same level. So
Yeah. As expected, bro. So BA, I'll put it on the like on the just keep it being mindful about it. I see for Facebook, if 221 rejects, we could if 221 breaks, we could see like 226.76 levels and higher like 230s. But if that level rejects, we could definitely see some downside. I definitely look to play downside below. Like you guys see that there's an uptrend line that price is going that's heading into 221. So maybe break below that or break below 212.17 could definitely lead to downside. But I'm honestly just looking for a possible breakout. It is really beat down, so Facebook.
Oh yeah, the Facebook actually looks nice. I like it. It's making this triangle too on the daily.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is wedging into higher lows into resistance. So,
Yeah.
so it looks pretty nice for a possible breakout. Nvidia has been pushing pretty nicely. Once that downtrend line on Nvidia broke, it has been pushing really well. It is approaching this supply zone around like 285.78. That's one possible level to be looking at. 285.95 level. So I think price could push into that zone, and if it breaks out, we could see highs of like 307. Obviously above 300, that'd be very important. But if you break out of 285.95, we could see more upside. But right now, we could also see a possible pullback after rejection. Big Bull did mention VIX is approaching some demand zones, so that you have to be mindful about that. But it's just we'll see how price reacts around these levels. I really like it though. It looks nice.
It does look nice. I like the daily volume. This is the highest volume since this correction is happening since 24
The
January.
video, right?
Yeah, it has a highest day after 24 January. So in 2 months, the highest
Yeah.
volume.
Yeah, tons of volume on here. So it'll be interesting how it plays out. I don't think it's done yet on that bull run, so I could definitely see it push a lot higher, but definitely pullbacks coming. I'm pretty sure. I don't think we're just gonna rally like that. But some things that haven't really rallied that much has been like, I mean they've rallied, but it's like it's coming to a fresh breakout. Like Qualcomm is like a really nice setup. Like it recently just broke that downtrend from February 3 highs on the daily. Like it's basically a fresh breakout. It consolidated, and I think it's time for it to go on a run as well. So it filled the gap towards the downside. So it looks like it wants to go. So I'll be watching that. Same with MU. MU looks really nice as well.
Should we just call it there?
Pfizer's-
You have like 50 fucking setups.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff.
The one that I'm going to talk about is Amazon for tomorrow, just for tomorrow.
Say less.
Yes, the Amazon bullish candle here on the daily, and then if it breaks today's high, definitely going to push like 50-70 points on the day. So on watch for tomorrow for a big percentage gain.
Sounds good. I like it.
All right, guys. If you enjoyed being here and you guys want to trade with us live tomorrow, we're gonna be doing it for free, but we usually do it in the premium. Over there's a 35% off link. Otherwise, it's 99. Over there, it's 65. If you guys want to come trade with us live, join the classes. We're gonna be trying to do this as much as possible. So if you guys did enjoy, consider checking out the premium. If you don't like it, there's a 7-day refund policy. If you don't like it within 7 days, you get a full refund. So definitely check that out. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. We'll be trying to do this every day. Big Bull Steel Arms, what do you guys think? You guys enjoy it?
Yeah, bro.
We got a lot of positive feedback.
More.
Yeah, we got a lot of positive feedback, guys. So we'll definitely be doing this more often. Obviously, if you can't afford the premium, whatever, DM me. I'll make something work out for you. We'll see if we can pull a few strings and let you in for free and just let you, learn. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Well, I guess.